Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about common dynamic data. In some web applications there may be common dynamic data that you want to include one more than one or even every web page. For example, you might want to include the name and profile picture of the current user or a CSRF token in all pages with forms. So in our case, let's begin with something simple. Say that we want to include the current year in the footer on every page. So here I am going to include the current year after powered by Go. So this will be same even if you redirect to the other pages or even if you change the any pages. So to do that we will begin by adding a new current year field to the template data in templates.go. So here I am going to add the current year and then the next step is to create a new add default data helper method to our application, which will inject the current year into an instance of template data struct. So I'm going to helpers.go. So here I'm going to create add default data method. Func add default. I'm sorry, I have to use the dependency injection. Application. Add default data, template data, data, okay. Then it is template data. Okay, if td equal to nil, now time dot now dot should be here and return data. Okay, template data. It is year. So here I created an add default data helper. This takes a pointer to a template data struct, adds the current year to the current year field and then returns the pointer. Again, we are not using pointer http dot request parameter at the moment, but we will do later in next videos. So once we created the add default data, and then we have to execute the template set and passing the dynamic data, passing the dynamic data with the current year injected. So here I am going to come to the render method. So in place of data I am going to app dot add default data, here td space and then here request. Okay, now we just have to update the footer.partial.tmpl under UI HTML folder. I am going to footer.partial.tmpl. So here I am writing, I am fetching the data. So like dot current year. Current year. So I'm going to start the server. So server is successfully running. Now I'm going to open the web page in browser. Perfect, it's working. So if you observe here, there was no current year, but this time we had this current year. Okay, so this 2020 won't be changed even if you redirect to the other pages. I hope you understand, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.